What's going on, BSG? So today, this is what we're gonna work with. I had to order a cross member in order to finish my exhaust. So let's get to it. So guys, here we go. We are at it again up under this deal here. And gotta put out a mount in. And we got this. Come here. This right here. This flat piece here. Now, everything I put in is gonna be loose. I'm not gonna tighten it all the way up until I got stuff where I want it. That's when I will tighten it up. And I got everything where I want it. Piece here from IFS, and I gotta tell you, I found these guys on accident. I found this piece on accident, but I'm so glad I found it. Oh, come on now. Okay, so since that one is acting up, I'm about to tighten that one all the way up. This ain't even there. Shit is spinning. What in the hell? Where's my socket? Alright. Okay, bam, there we go. Now, here's a 5/8, so you shouldn't have no issues here. This piece will go in loosely. Okay, bam, look at that one. Push that up so that my wires don't get caught in there. You can see that. Let me get my bolt here. Oh dear. Do that like that. Yeah. Okay, as you can see, got it up here. And I still haven't tightened these down yet because I want to suck this into the wall. Because once, from after this point on, these here gonna be welded in. All you gotta do is take the screws out from right here and they'll drop right down. So I like that a whole lot better. And once this is where my transmission gonna sit at. So I am going to suck this into the wall with my good old trusty C-clamp. And then I'm going to pump up a few welds. Matter of fact, let me do this a different way. Let me turn this around the other way. This way. Nope, that's not gonna work, so it's gotta go this way. I was trying to figure out if this might gotta get in the way of this thing here, up here, but I ain't got nowhere to go. So I'll just do it like this. I should have cleaned this up, but probably gonna be a dirty weld, but I'll get it clean. Then I'm gonna weld up all this, and I'm gonna find me some, go to the metal place and get me some metal inserts right here and put in here so that I strengthen up this frame. I wonder, can I slide this back down into there? I don't want to weld with that up under it though. So after, we'll just push these things through there. Yep. If I have to, I'll drill a hole in the mount and push it through the mount. If I have to. That was still loose. Good deal. Yep. So we ended up with one hole to put a screw in. Cause I got solid motor mounts, but my transmission straight in line with my rear end, so my drive shaft will be straight. We won't be riding crooked, so this here will work out just fine. All right, so we are going to connect this. I'm gonna put it right on, just like that. And you should be able to see me from the other side here when I do these mounts, when I make these welds. what I'm doing is considered to be plug welds. So that's what I'm doing, plug welding it. So we got holes over here. Sand it down, make it I'll sand it down and make it even with the frame. You never know over there. All right, we're gonna go around to the other side. Yes, sir. Gonna plug the hell out of this. Here we go. Okay guys, so as you see today I am tired. I take it a beating today. So let me show you this finished product and then I'm going in the house. Alright, so let's get a look here. Alright, as you see right there, you see a little bit of what I did. You know, I'm gonna hit it again after my primer dry a little bit. Then I still gotta paint this thing here. So, see, everything is tight, everything is ready to rock and roll. One thing left for me to do is I built me a dry shaft. I didn't video it, but I built a dry shaft, and I gotta put some. Oh boy, what the hell them things is? I can't even think right now. But I gotta put them in it. So, you'll see the dry shaft when I'm putting it in. So, no pun intended, but hey. So, I am gonna call it a day. I'm beat, and I'm tired. I'm tired and I'm beat. So, I'll catch you guys later. My bad. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.